Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make scrambled eggs like Gordon Ramsay. First, crack 3 large eggs directly into a cold saucepan. Next, add a substantial knob of cold butter, about 1½ tablespoons, to the pan with the eggs. Now, whisk these ingredients together vigorously until they are well combined and slightly frothy. This initial step is crucial for achieving the signature creamy texture. Place the saucepan over medium-high heat for approximately 30 seconds, stirring continuously with a spatula. As soon as the eggs begin to set, remove the pan from the heat and continue stirring for about 10 seconds. This off-heat stirring prevents overcooking. Repeat this on and off heat process 3 to 4 times, ensuring the eggs cook slowly and evenly without scrambling too quickly. When the eggs are still slightly wet and creamy, remove them from the heat for the final time. Stir in another small knob of cold butter, about 1/2 tablespoon, to stop the cooking process and add richness. Then, incorporate 1 teaspoon of crème fraîche for an extra luxurious texture. Finally, season your perfect scrambled eggs with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. For the best experience, serve your Gordon Ramsay-style scrambled eggs immediately. They are fantastic on a slice of toasted sourdough bread or a warm croissant. Garnish with some freshly chopped chives or other herbs for a touch of color and flavor. Remember, the key is to achieve that incredibly creamy, almost custardy texture, so avoid overcooking them at all costs. Enjoy your delicious breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.